warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, first of all, let me tell you one thing that I belong to Buldhana. I was born and brought up in Buldhana, but owing to some reason, I had to move to Khamgaon. At the same time, today we are celebrating Republic Day, the national holiday of our country. So I congratulate all the students, especially your honorable principal and all the respected teachers and all my loving students. Dear student, as you know one thing very well, I will not take your lots of time because we have already taken lots of time and there is no need to go further. So I will share only few proverbs with you, or according to those proverbs, I will make you realize that what is the importance of education in our life and how we can transform ourselves or how we can bring about all-round development in ourselves with the help of education. See, there is a famous quotation or a proverb given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He said that if you want to shine like a sun, then you'll have to burn like a sun. So it means that you always see sun rising in the east and setting in the west. But you never know that what qualities, what efficiencies, what capabilities, what proficiencies is generally carried by a sun. So we can also be a sun, we can also be a shining sun, but we have to create a quality like the sun. The next proverb which I'd like to share with you, that learning is a never-ending process. Dear student, it is a fact that we learn right from the womb of a mother, right to the cradle of the grave, or right to the tomb. I mean to say, education starts from the womb of mother and it ends on the grave. I mean to say in the grave. So, education or a learning process, all the things are never-ending process. But I just request all of you that if you want to have all-round development, if you want to shine your own name and your name of your family, I mean to say all the respected people that belong to your family, please acquire education as much as you can. So I just thank all my teachers, all my respected principals, that he has given me a golden opportunity to share my few words with you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.